Are you ready to unbox the future of phones?
You should take it slow.
Yo guys, back at it again with a brand new video. Today, the iPhone X has arrived and it costs over $1,000. Let's get right into the unboxing from eBay. Yes, I got this from eBay. Hopefully I don't get scammed, you guys. So I've got the phone right here in its nice box, nicely wrapped from eBay right here. You see, 64 pieces right here. Like, perfect wrapping right here, the clear wrapping. And let's get right into this. So satisfying. Are you ready to unbox the future of phones? Oh, the moment of truth. Here it is. This is the iPhone X. Boy! This is, I got scammed, $900. This is the iPhone 4. I got scammed, you guys. This isn't it. See what else is in here? Headphones, lightning cable. Boy! And a Sony charger. Well guys, I just got scammed. Man, I shouldn't buy from eBay anymore, so that's the unboxing of the supposedly iPhone X. Thank you for watching guys, and peace.